Hey everybody, Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors, standing inside the 2020 Forest River Ozark Lite 1800 QS. This rear bath travel trailer is lightweight, inexpensive, and great for that couple that's looking for the entry-level camping experience, but still wants some nice creature comforts of home. And the best part is, you're only going to be able to find this beautiful unit here at Gander RV and Outdoors. So what do you say we start in the back? The thing that I really like about what Forest River did with these Ozarks is the layout, the floor plan, and the way they brought the colors together. You have the light contrasted with the graphite, which you're going to see all the way throughout this camper. You got the Norcold split fridge and freezer right here. This does run on both gas and electric. So nice feature, plus plenty of space when you're talking about taking those long weekend getaways. The shaker style cabinets with the graphite and dark handles, I think are just absolutely beautiful. Especially when you contrast that with this white paneling and the herringbone residential style flooring. This is just a good looking camper. Plenty of storage space throughout. We make our way to the bathroom and you're gonna see good leg space here. A little tight on the left and right, but in the front of you, good space. Foot flush on the toilet. Got the single basin sink with more of the storage underneath. Got the mirrored vanity here. Once again, and Bob, I don't know if you can get in and see the texture of these cabinets and just look at that beautiful graphite facing on these shaker style cabinets with the dark handles and accents all the way throughout. Solid construction, great insulation, good headroom too. I mean, I'm over 6'2", and this is a 21-foot trailer that's 2,000 pounds. With that and having one slide, having this headspace, yes, the fan does help, and I might bump myself every now and then with the control to open the port there, but I still think this is pretty good space when I'm talking about camping. Got the single surround Neo angle right here with the curtain. Got more storage up above the toilets. Got two mirrors in here. That's pretty nice, and my wife can get nice and beautiful while I get ready. We make our way over here to the kitchen. You got the deep well farmhouse style, single style sink with that brushed nickel high-rise faucet here, 2-burner Suburban stove, frosted glass inside the shaker cabinets, giving you more pantry space up above. Got the Furrion microwave here. This I thought was a unique little addition. Yeah, you got some prep space here, but they added the suspension netting, which I mean would be great, especially when you're talking about things that when you're traveling around, it's not going to come flying out. But this gives you a mount for the TV. I kind of would have liked to have all the counter space and maybe just left a mount right here, but still looks good. It's still very functional. Got more storage space right there underneath your entertainment panel. Got the circuit breaker down there, O2 and LP detector here. We move over to the bedroom and plenty of space when you're talking about both sides of the bed. Not only do you have the USB and the power here, but giving you plenty of room if you need a CPAP machine, reading lights, whatever you want to do. You got the countertop space right there. More storage in the ward. Large single shaker style cabinet up above for the shelf storage here. But you also have it underneath the queen size bed here. And it's the pass-through access, which is a great, what I like to call laundry chute option. So when you're done camping or you're done hunting, you're fishing, and you really don't want your dirty stuff in the camper, just pick it up, throw it in there. Just make sure you get it out. That wet stuff sits overnight. It's not fun. Even though the pass-through is finished, still can be a little rank. Cool feature that I liked when I walked into this, the table that turns. So it could be a dining table, it could be a card table, or it could be your armrest for when you're watching TV on the campsite where the entertainment center is. And this chaise lounge is a fold out, giving you a really good space to sleep 2 people. So great couples camper, but if you needed to bring along some friends or you had the kids, this is a great space for them to sleep. Plus this microfiber on top of these cushions, extremely comfortable. The table does lift up. You can get that out the way so that you can jackknife the sofa out. The other cool feature that I liked about this one, it's got the Boss audio system. Those tube speakers are fantastic. Plus, when you go hiking or when you go fishing or whatever, well, you don't really want to scare the fish with the loud music, but you can absolutely take that with you. AC on top, roof mounted, LED lights up here as well. Got great head clearance. Just a great nice looking residential feel and style to this couple's entry-level camper. So we've seen the beautiful amenities on the inside. What do you say we go take a look on the outside? Okay, everybody, here we are on the outside, the 2020 Forest River Ozark Lite 1800 QS. Take a look at this beautiful fiberglass. Love the color, the brightness. You got the diamond-plated rock guard, 20-pound LP tank. We come around here to the off-camp side, and as always, I say this in everything that I do, the most important part of any camper that you get, the information panel. This is where you want to check and then take that information back to your RV specialist at Gander RV and Outdoors and say, all right, the gross vehicle weight's 4,800 pounds. What does that mean? Here's what my vehicle can tow. Tell me how to work this, and that's where they're going to really help you out. You got the sealed tinted safety glass all the way around. A very nice addition to this is the hinges on the windows. They've even covered that so that the elements, you're not going to have that rust up there and coming down. As we take a look at the pass-through storage, it is lit, full pass-through storage, and it is accessed to from the location under the bed in the master bedroom. This is good space, larger than most, especially with the travel trailers. Good spot for the beach chairs, the towels, the fishing gear, the hunting gear. Don't take that stuff inside the camper and get everything dirty. It's finished off and beautiful. Got your leveling jacks right here. Got your slide right here, which is also sealed. This is that living room slide that had that beautiful couch and chaise lounge in it. Single axle travel trailer. You got that 15-inch aluminum wheel. And the thing that I think Forest River really did a good job with was labeling everything so that owning and operating your RV is extremely easy. Black tank flush right here. Got your 30-amp plug there, city water connection. These are your low point drains. Gray handle's the gray tank, black handle is the black tank. Sewer outlet connection. Got your satellite port there if you want to set something up. 4x4 sewer hose storage. Got your spare tire on the back, full size. And these are set up for backup camera as well. So when you get that installed, our RV specialist can help you there. And if you notice, take a look at the arch style tops with the 3-inch nozzles on each side. That's to keep the elements off the top of your camper and allow that water, snow, whatever, to go away from you and the slides. The back of the furnace, the back of the fridge here. External shower with hot and cold. Grab handle and awning with LED light strip that goes almost the entire length of the camper, giving you some great entertainment space over here on the campsite. Freshwater connection and power plug right there. If you wanted to bring a TV, get it set up out here, you got the satellite connection over there, so you can do it there or over here, or plug in the radio. I mean, you saw that awesome boom box, pill box that they have. That's just a great addition, but good spot to do some entertaining. Other side of the pass-through storage here. And if you do want to do, if you want to do the solar charging, we got the port for that right there. So, fantastic line of travel trailers, the Forest River Ozark Lites. This 1800 QS is great for that couple that's looking to upgrade that camping experience. They want something, but they really don't know what they want. They want the creature comforts of home. Might be the first time buying a travel trailer. This is a fantastic option to take a look at. Plenty of prep space, plenty of entertainment space, comfortable bed, comfortable couch. You're not going to go wrong with these. And the best part, you can only find it at Gander RV and Outdoors. So let me know what you think about this 1800 QS. Leave me some comments. Where do you see yourself taking it? What's your dream adventure? What'd you like and what did you not like? I love hearing your comments from you. If you did like the video, please hit like and subscribe. We'd love to give you as many of these as we possibly can, but just let me know what you thought. I'm Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you again very soon. And as always, come check out a camper. I'll see you.